I was trying to get a divorce. I went to the county building, got all the papers. My daughter helped me fill them out, and it took about a year, and I got a paper in the mail saying that my divorce was legal. So I thought I was divorced from him, and then 3 years later, when I did some other legal stuff, they went looking, and they said, "Why'd you lie?" I said, "I didn't lie. I have a paper that's saying I'm divorced from this man." So I called the clerk, gave her the numbers, and she said, "I'm sorry to tell you, but you aren't, because your husband didn't get served. So we couldn't give you a divorce." It just was hard because I knew I was married to a man that, didn't want me. But he wanted to stay married to me for his convenience.
When I first met Alyssa, it was actually because she was opposing counsel in a case, and she was, I'll be perfectly frank, she was loud. After a few minutes of the hearing, we stepped outside, attempting to resolve, and I realized that she wasn't loud. She was actually very zealously advocating for her client. And personally, I found her to be very funny. There was a lot of Alyssa packed in a very short period.
I got Alyssa, and she was great. Her and her secretary did a wonderful job for me. Now I'm not married to a man that could have taken everything that I had, and I don't have that much, but now I'm free of that. She would call me and talk to me when she knew I was going through a hard time. So I'm thankful. I really am thankful for the work she did for me.
She loves her CAP cases. She loves her pro bono cases. She doesn't treat them like pro bono cases. She treats them like her passion, knowing that she's going to work just as hard on those cases as she does on any other case.
When you're trying to live off of Social Security and you don't have any help, it's hard, but she helped me.
Alyssa actively encourages all of us attorneys to take on pro bono work, and so far she's been successful with it. She's convinced me to take on at least one pro bono case, but I know that she's worked with a lot of other attorneys, and she always plugs taking on more pro bono, representing kids. She's very, very big on making sure that she does pro bono work and that we all know we have an obligation to do so as well.
And that's great to help people who really can't afford to do what they need to do. Thank you so much for helping me through a hard time in my life. 2 times where I didn't know where I was going to get money from, 2 times where I just didn't have anything, but she helped me and she let me understand that I could still make it. Even though I've been doing it on my own, it was hard and I was going through it, and I really talked to her. She understood what I was saying. So I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for the things you did. I'm thankful that I was given your name, and I pray for you all the time.
Congratulations. I am very, very happy that you're receiving this award. You are very deserving of it, and I can't imagine someone better winning it this year.